It's a 2021 Ram 1500 Limited Gray over black leather interior, power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrap steering wheel, Harman Kardon audio, push button start, remote start, trailer brake control, satellite radio, navigation, USB for your phone, remote start, heated seats front and rear, power deployable running boards, aluminum wheels, backups, camera, backup sensors, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi 8. So it's got power, and like all pre-owned vehicles, Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.